Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. In our previous class, we discussed about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, isn't it? Yes. We also discussed about different animals have different types of eating habits. That is, the first one is about novores and the second one is about the animal those swallow their food. Today we are going to discuss about the third type, that is animal that tear and chew the flesh. Can you say the example for carnivores? Yes, lion, tiger. Yes. We know carnivores are flesh-eating animals. To eat the flesh, they need sharp, pointed and curved teeth, isn't it? Yes. Look at the picture. This is the teeth of a tiger. Its front teeth is sharp, pointed and curved. Its front teeth or canine. Front teeth or canines are sharp, pointed and curved. This front teeth help them to tear the flesh. What about the back teeth? The back teeth or premolars and molars. We call premolars and molars. The back teeth collectively called premolars and molars. The back teeth are flat and broad. The back teeth help them to chew the flesh. Okay. So front teeth sharp, pointed and curved. What about the back teeth? Yes, flat and broad. Sharp, pointed, curved, back teeth, flat and broad. Let's explain with the help of a video. Tiger is an example for a carnivore, isn't it? Yes. Can you see the teeth? Yes. Their front teeth are, means canines are sharp, curved and pointed. These teeth help them to tear the flesh. What about the back teeth? Yes, the back teeth such as premolars and molars are flat and broad. These teeth help them to chew. So front teeth help them to tear the flesh and the back teeth help them to chew the flesh. Okay. The fourth one is that the animal eat and chew grass. We know herbivores are the animals those eat only plants. Look at the picture. This is the teeth of a horse. Its front teeth are flat, broad and sharp. They use the front teeth to bite off the grass and leaves. The front teeth are flat, broad and sharp. What about the back teeth? Yes, they use their strong grinding teeth at the back to chew the food. Strong grinding teeth at the back to chew the food. So, the front teeth are flat, broad and sharp. What about the back teeth? Strong grinding teeth. Okay, let's see a video. This is the frame of a herbivore's teeth. They have flat, sharp, broad front teeth. They use their front teeth to bite off the grass. And they have strong grinding teeth at the back. They use their back teeth to chew the food. So, they use their front teeth to bite off the grass and they use their back teeth to chew the food. Okay, next we are going to discuss about ruminants or cud chewing animals. Ruminants or cud chewing animals. Have you ever seen the goat and cow sitting in the cage and chewing something? Yes. This process is called rumination or chewing the cud. Rumination or chewing the cud. Okay, first these animals swallow the food first. At the time of grazing, they only swallow the food. After that, they bring it back and chew. This is called chewing the cud. This process is called chewing the cud or rumination. Such type of animals are called ruminants or cud chewing animals. Is it clear? For example, cow, goat. Other examples are sheep, camel, etc. Okay, these animals are called. What is chewing the cud or rumination? Yes, this animal first swallow the food. Later, bring it back to the mouth and chew few hours. Okay, let's see. Can you see the cow is chewing something, isn't it? Yes. Cows and buffaloes first swallow the food. Later they bring it back into the mouth and chew it for few hours. This type of animals are called cud chewing animals or ruminants. Such process is called chewing the cud or rumination. Okay. Do you like elephants? Have you noticed the trunk of elephants? It has many uses. Let's see. Can you see that the elephant uses its trunk to tear off leaves and the branches of trees and put them into its mouth? The trunk also helps the elephant to sucking water to drink. Let's see. Yes, and also to have shower. And also the trunk used for carrying heavy wooden logs. Is it, children? The fifth one is that animals that take in liquid food. Can you say the example for that take liquid food? Yes, butterflies, bees, mosquitoes, leeches, etc. Yes, butterflies and bees suck nectar from the flowers, isn't it? What about the leech and mosquito? They suck blood from our body. How do you drink juice if you go to a juice shop? Yes, with a straw, isn't it? Like that, these animals have thin, hollow tube. These animals have thin, long, hollow tube to suck the food into the mouth. These animals have thin, long and hollow tube to suck the food into the mouth. For example, butterfly suck nectar from the flower using this thin, hollow, long tube. Let's see how butterflies suck nectar from the flowers. Can you see the butterfly? The butterfly have a long, thin, hollow tube, isn't it? Yes, the butterflies and a bee use this tube to suck the nectar from flowers. To suck the nectar from flowers, they use their long, thin, hollow tube. Okay, children. Can you see this picture? Yes. What is this? A cat lap up milk with its tongue. This process is called lapping. We are going to discuss about lapping. Lapping is the taking of liquid food with the tongue. This is called lapping. Okay. Lapping. This is lapping. Okay. We know plants produce its own food, isn't it? What about the animals? Yes, some animals are herbivores, some are carnivores, some are omnivores, isn't it? Yes, the herbivores depend plant for their food. What about carnivores? Yes, carnivores depend this herbivores. Here a chain is formed. Here a chain is formed. Such type of chains are called food chain. I'll explain with the help of a picture. Look at the picture. Yes, the deer eats the grass and the tiger eats the deer. Here a chain formed. Grass, deer, then tiger. Yes, a chain is formed. Such type of chains are called food chain. The first position. Who is in the first position? Yes, plants. Every food chain start with the plants because plants are the producers. All the animals depends plants for the food. Such type of chains are called a food chain. So what is a food chain? A food chain is a chain which show how plants are eaten by animals and these animals are eaten by other big animals. Okay. Food chains are the chain how plants are eaten by animals and these animals are eaten by other big animals. This is food chain. Okay children, today I am going to wind up this chapter. In this chapter we discuss about food and feeding habits of animals. First we discuss about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. And then we discuss about different animals have different types of eating habits. That is about novores. Example, rabbit. What about the animals those swallow the food? Yes, frog, lizard, etc. Snake, etc. The third one is that animal tear and chew the flesh. Example, lion, tiger. The fourth one is that the animal chew and eat grass. Yes. Example, herbivores. That means cow, goat, etc. And the fifth one is that the animal that take in liquid food. Example, butterflies, bees, etc. Then we discuss about food chain. Today we discuss about food chain. Food chain is the chain which show how plants are eaten by animals and how these animals are eaten by other big animals. This chain is called a food chain. Okay children, thank you.